where are we? Of course, we are always here. Okay, of course. So today, Bernard's new package. I call it the 10K car. What can you get with 10K of STEG's product? So okay, come let me show you. What is this 10K car all about? Of course, we have the S10 active sub. Yep, nicely done. Okay, we need to clarify a bit first. 10K, you don't have all these things, all these nicely done things. 10K is you have the active sub, you have the DSP, okay, all placed under your seats. Simple installation type, quick installation, quick tuning, good soundproofing, and get the car out quick with a nice sound stage. So now Bernard have upgraded a bit on his 10K product. So of course he have done all this nicely designed thing with some LED lights. All these are optional. So with 10K, let me show you 10K what you get. 10K you get this active sub, S10 STEG active sub. You get this MDSP8 for behind, so that, and of course the fuses all you will get. What is optional here is this whole design. This whole M rack is an optional design, and you can also get this optional the NRG 10 farad, and of course this Bluetooth device by STEG, of course with the AKM chip, ESS chip inside there. Yep. So these two products are optional, and these two products are in the 10K package. Yep. So simple design. Get all this. You know, and if you don't want the design, you can put it under the seat. That's the 10K package. So behind is just so simple. And of course, if you want to one back your boot, there's one more rack on top, cover up. Then you can have a full boot space to put your things. Yep, come, let's go in front to show you what with this 10K product has some more. Okay, we are in front now, so let me show you 10K products. So that's why I show you two behind, active sub and the MDSP. Okay, then of course you'll get MS30 full range speaker by STEG, QK6 mid bass to pair with this MS30 mid range, this full range. Okay, behind you can see that AMT tweeter by STEG SST50. That is optional. Okay, let me zoom in for you. Okay, this is optional. It's optional. You can add for better, or else you can don't want that. Also sound very good. So later my sound sampling is without that AMT sound. So it's a pure full range, two-way active sub system. Android player you don't get, because Android player your car might have already. You can just tap it back so your radio can function, or you can use as your source also. And of course you have a DRC, also optional. Sorry, I need to show you so many things because all these are optionals, you know. So what you get is 1, 2, and 2 items behind. And of course the door panels will be soundproofed. Will be done all the soundproof for these two door panel, your left and right door panel. And let's see what they have some more. And cables, yeah, power cables, fuse, all that, all in this 10K package. You pay 10K, you drop your car in, you get this all done nicely for you. Let me give you a closer look of this full range. Yeah, okay lah. So that's it for sound sampling time. Sound sampling time with the latest AMR song 2026 Ocean Drive. Yes, so like I say, it's a pure wireless source thing. You can use iPad, handphone, whatever you have that has Bluetooth, just connect it back to your DSP behind. And here we go. Let's go for this song. Play.